on its way, my lord. Everything is unfolding as we planned. It's nothing. The delivery requires certain sacrifices.
Sacrifice is necessary to remake the world. Remember what these gods have done. Remember Talia. And when I am free, wait. Someone is here, listening even as he dreams. Hello, Perseus Jackson.
You were dumb. You really do drool in your sleep. You were screaming. I was waking up the other passengers. Well, not Annabeth.
I can't go to the movies, Mom. I have a quest. And homework.
I had this dream. I was at the edge of a pit and the thief was there. He was talking about the bolt.
That must have been Hades.
He wasn't alone. There was something in the pit. It told him to remember Talia? What?
I haven't heard that name in a long time.
You know who she is?
She was my friend. I should have told you. I thought if I did, you'd never want me on this quest if you knew what a failure I really am. Ask Annabeth, she knows. There's a tree on a hill up on Half-Blood Hill that watches over us, silent and still, and knowing that can't be safe until we can see the tree on the hill. This was way before I met you. Chiron sent me to escort 3 half-bloods back to camp. 2 were runaways, 1 was Annabeth, the other was Luke, and the 3rd was Talia. Tough girl, like her dad, Zeus.
Hey, I thought I was the only kid of the big 3.
You are now. We'd almost made it back to camp, but I got nervous and we got lost, and by the time we found the hill, something else found us. And there on the hill, up on Half-Blood Hill, a cold wind blew, dark and chill, though nothing would slake its wrathful will, we had to make a stand. And maybe if I'd been a little bit braver, maybe if I stayed behind to fight, but maybe it doesn't let me go back and save her. Maybe it doesn't make it alright. Talia saved us. We only survived because she stayed to hold off the monsters. She paid for her sacrifice with her life. And that's when Zeus showed up.
And saved her.
Right? It was too late for that. As she died, he turned her into a tree so she could stand there protecting us forever, the way I couldn't do for her. There's a tree on the hill, up on Half-Blood Hill, that protects us all and always will. And it's there reminding me of all I failed to be. The tree on the hill. I don't know why you heard her name in your dream, but I know what it means. Look, if we fail this quest, it's gonna be my fault.
That's not true, Grover. I wouldn't be alive if it wasn't for you. Neither would Luke.
You're awake?
We're getting close to the underworld. Kinda hard to sleep.
Guys, what if this is all a mistake? We have been so sure that Hades is the thief, but what if we're wrong? The Oracle told me I'd failed.
We're here.
Are we sure we're ready to do this?
Not at all. Let's go. Well, this must be it. DOA Records.
I kind of figured there'd be monsters.
Yeah, we knew that the lobby to the underworld would be so